In this video, I will show you on how to set up a simple VLAN on your ingenious EWS switches. First, you will need to log into your switch. Once you're in the main page, click on Switch, scroll down and click on VLAN. Now select the 802.11q tab. In this section, we're going to add our VLANs that are already set in our inner VLAN router. As an example, you can see here that we have VLAN 10 already set up and VLAN 20. These two VLANs are the ones that we're going to be using for our demonstration. As you can see in this illustration, from the inter VLAN router, it's going to go from port 3 in the VLAN router to port 7 in the ingenious switch. From there, the VLANs will be distributed on VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. I will show you how we do the configuration in the VLAN section on your EWS switch. To verify, the subnet of VLAN 10 is 192.168.10.0 on the subnet 24. For the VLAN 20, we have 192.168.20.0-24. Okay, so first of all, we're going to set up our management VLAN. In this case, we don't want management VLAN to be untalked on port 1. So we're just going to click None. Click Confirm and Apply. Okay, now we're going to add VLAN 10 on our switch. We can call this the main office. And the ports that we're going to tag for VLAN 10 on our switch, it's port 13, port 15, 17, 19, 21, and 23. We're going to click Confirm and Apply. Okay, our second VLAN, we're going to add it. In this case, VID will be 20. It will be our warehouse. And we're going to tag ports 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Click Confirm and Apply. Okay, so right now the final setting that we need to do in order for our VLANs to work is we're going to choose a port in our switch that will be receiving the VLAN traffic from our inner VLAN router. Okay, in this case we chose 7 as to be our access port. So what we're going to do is go back to VLAN 10. We're going to edit it, and we're going to select port 7 as our port to be receiving the VLAN. Click Confirm and Apply. Also for the VLAN 20, we're going to edit it, and we're going to choose the same port 7. Now confirm. Okay, so we have done the settings in our switch port. Now we're gonna go ahead and verify that we're actually passing traffic from VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and plug in the computer. As you can see, it's not connected to anything. We're gonna grab the Ethernet cable and plug it in on one of the ports of VLAN 10. In this case, port 13. As you can see, now it's connected. We're gonna go ahead and check the IP address. We can verify that the IP address is 192.168.10.0 20.240. So it's in the same subnet that we adjusted VLAN 10. We're now going to unplug the Ethernet cable and we're going to plug it on VLAN 20. We assigned port 14 as one of the ports. We're going to go ahead and refresh the Ethernet properties, and as you can see, now it's on network 7. We click on it, we can scroll down, and we can verify that it's on the subnet 20. So IP address 192.168.20.240. That means that you have configured correctly your VLANs on your EWS switch.